Welcome to Lesson 6 Overview of the Application Development Process. It is undeniable that the computing industry is diverse and dynamic. One of the exciting domains of the computing industry is applications development. The advent of the fourth industrial revolution is the emergence of new technologies that support various human endeavors. Because of this, data and information has become crucial part in our daily activities, and this will not be possible without software. Our learning outcomes are to explain the meaning of applications development and describe the application development process. The following are some of the common definitions of application development. Um, it is a process of conceiving, specifying, designing, programming, documenting, testing, and bug fixing applications, frameworks, or other components. It is a process of writing and maintaining the source code. It includes all that is involved between the conception of the desired functionalities to the final design in a planned and structured process. It may include research, new development, prototyping, modification, reuse, re engineering, maintenance, or any other activities that result in some software products. In other words, software development or system development or application development is the process used to create a computerized information processing system. The process is also related to the simple information processing model, input, process, and output, along with emerging technologies used and the functionality of the software. Other factors are also considered that further defines a software application or system: interface design, usability, testing, and deployment. The importance of software applications development. To further understand the importance of applications development, let us look at its effect in the context of a business organization. In a business environment, there are two types of information: internal information, which are information generated through business activities. This includes information generated by various transactions. Example are sales, enrollment, and inventory. Second type or second uh, is the external or second type of information is the external information. These are information generated that will affect the activities or economic situation of the business. Example are exchange rate, trends in sales, partnerships or competitions with other companies, government regulation. With this in mind, the effective use of IT is vital. Business organizations use different application software in order to boost productivity as well as to support the goals of the organization. Organizations use information systems to organize data and process information. An information system is a collection of software, hardware, data, people, and procedures that work together to produce quality information. An information system supports daily short-term and long-term activities of users and business organizations. Information systems can be broadly classified as transaction processing systems, which are used to support daily operations of an organization. Second is strategic information systems. It's used to manage available resources of an organization and to support decision making from the management perspective. These systems are developed, deployed, and maintained by software developers, also known as application developers or system developers. The fourth industrial revolution has led to the progress and development of the computing industry, and the need for developers um, is attributed to the following. First, performance improvement of computer hardware. Second, wide use of software packages and web applications. Third, innovation in network technology. Fourth, changes in the software development techniques. Fifth, convergence of emerging technologies. This change further highlights the need for more skilled developers who can adapt to the ever changing demands of the industry. The applications development phases are the following. The activities involved in software development are grouped in phases. Collectively, these are called as the Systems Development Lifecycle or SDLC. First, planning, then analysis, design, implementation, operation support, and security. Each consists of a series of activities, and the phases form a cycle. This cycle occurs when a certain functionality or process needs changing or revision. A variety of situations can lead to a change in the system or software. For example, users may want the output to be displayed in a different format or strengthen the security to prevent unauthorized users gaining access to gaining access to the system. When change occurs or is required, the planning phase for a new or modified system begins and the SDLC starts again. While this may be interpreted as sequential order or as a cycle, the actual implementation of these phases and activities often interact or may overlap with each other. This makes the development of an application a dynamic and iterative process. Here are the activities of each phases of the SDLC. Throughout the duration of the development, the following activities are also included: project management, feasibility assessment, documentation, data and information gathering. Here are the guidelines to facilitate smooth transaction among the development team and other professionals. Certain guidelines must be established. First, group similar or interconnected activities or tasks into phases. The term to use, the order of their activities, and the level of detail within each phase must clear and well defined in the context of the project. Second, involve users. Users include anyone for whom the system is being built: customers, employees, students, data entry clerks, accountants, and managers and owners. They are examples of users. The application being developed must address the varied needs of each type of user. If the system is to be successful, the user must be considered during development. Users have the tendency to accept a new system if they contribute to its design. Define standards. The standards are sets of rules and procedures an organization expects employees to accept and follow. Standards help people working on the same project produce consistent results. If standards are defined, then everyone involved uses the same terms.